What's good, you guys? It's Cameron with 2 Air Orlando. Just wanted to make this quick guide for those of you who maybe just bought your first firearm and maybe you're having a tough time deciding what ammo you want to use in terms of self-defense. There's many different flavors in the ammo world, all different types of bullet types, grain weights, and velocities. So I'm gonna try and make that real simple for you guys. We're gonna start off with what's most commonly available. It's good for range. It's good for practice. It's going to be the cheaper option of what we're going to be talking about today, but I do not recommend Full Metal Jacket. That's what this is for self-defense, and why that is, it has a lead inner core and a copper outer core. That's going to make it a more solid projectile going to the target, and what that means is you could get more pass-throughs when a bullet enters and exits a target. And for self-defense, that's a big no-no, because if an intruder is in between you and your loved one's room and you have to handle the intruder, you could be sending rounds into your loved one's room through the intruder, causing more damage than good. So what I am going to recommend, guys, is any type of hollow point or soft point. It comes in all different types of calibers, bullet types, brands. So what I usually look for is I look for the heaviest bullet type, the heaviest grain, going the fastest velocity, because what happens is when this hollow point hits a target, that cavitation is going to make it flatten almost like a pancake or a hockey puck, causing more damage on target, but also making it dump all of its energy, causing it to stop right there and not pass through. That's why you get the best of both worlds, and it's really good for self-defense. For those of you who are shotgun users, I'm going to recommend a 12 gauge double-aught buck, at least going 1300 feet per second. If you have some going even faster, it's even better. And you know why they say that. Pistols, it'll put holes in people. These rifles will put holes through people. But these motherfuckers right here will take holes out of you and it'll throw it on the ground behind you. And that's why they're great for self-defense. As always, guys, let's have fun. Let's be safe. Let's be legal. Thanks for tuning in.